Hello, this is Rhonda. I'm coming back to you with another video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you some of the candlestick patterns of behavior. Now that you understand candlestick formation, which is in the previous video, please refer to the previous video if you don't. Take notes and come back to this video to understand how to use pattern of behavior. And this is perfect example right here of what I'm going to explain, and it's bullish and bearish engulfing candles. So with bullish and bearish engulfing candles, you have a candle that will engulf the previous candle. So this green candle is bullish and it engulfed fully this previous red bearish candle. That's what considers this a bullish engulfing candle. So what I do is I take my line, my horizontal line, and I place it at the really at the close, but at the open of this candle. This is the point where price engulfed this candle, and notice the next candle closed above this line. Actually, to the T, the wick touched this line and then continued up to the downside. To the upside. Closed as a sell candle, but price was to remain above this line. We're on an uptrend. Okay, and this is when you're on an uptrend is where you look for bullish engulfing. This candle engulfed this candle fully engulfed this candle. So this next candle was to be a buy. Let me get a horizontal line from this point on. This candle closed above, this bullish candle closed this much above this bearish candle, meaning that this body fully engulfed this body. So this next candle was a buy. And we're going to see this one more time. Drag this line here. This is a bullish engulfing candle engulfing this red candle. This next candle here was a buy from this point on. This one including the wick. Okay, so this candle here fully engulfed this candle. So this candle was a buy. Even though it closed as a sell, it was a buy, stating that price was going to remain above this line. Why do I say that? Well, because I use the Nadex platform. I trade the 5-minute binary options. Okay, so just as the minute chart operates, the 5-minute chart does the same thing. The 15-minute chart does the same as the 30-minute chart, does the same as the 45 hourly and on up. It goes all the way up to, I think, monthly. So here with binary options on the 5-minute side, you get 5 different strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So with Nadex, which is nadex.com, right here, Nadex platform, you their strikes, you have to state whether price will remain close above or below the strike. Depending on where the price is, you this is a bearish engulfing candle. We'll use this one. We got 2 minutes and 46 seconds left in the 5-minute binary options, which consists of 5 1-minute candles. And we're on our 3rd candle right here. So if you notice, price came down and fully engulfed this previous green candle. I really don't like using Nadex chart because sometimes their candles are totally different and does not show accuracy like this one would. So I'm on the minute chart here, Euro USD, and I'm on the Nadex platform, Euro USD chart. And here you can see clearly a difference in the candlesticks. But anyway, this green candle fully engulfed this bearish candle, which this bearish candle engulfed this candle. So right now I'm seeing that possibility of what we call consolidation, when price moves in a side by side condition. You know, it stays like within a range. So here would be one of those times where I would proceed with caution from this point on. Okay, until price breaks out of this box right here. But I can show you previously, you see this candle right here? It engulfs this red candle. This green candle fully engulfs this red candle, meaning if there were the possibility of an option, maybe this option here, I would have stated that price was going to remain above this line, because when price engulfed this candle, this next candle was to be a buy, and so was this one, and so was this one, to stay above this line, which is above this strike price. So now we see price going down. We're in the 21st, we only have 19 seconds left in this 5-minute binary. So if we stated for price to remain below, which this was an indication that price was going to go down, this bearish engulfing candle, this is the proof. This is the confirmation that price wanted to go down. It broke out of this box, and also this one. So if I included this whole area, all of this fully engulfed this right here. So I can state that price will remain below this point. If anything, it'll do some further dropping until you get to this point right here, till you get to the next level. And what it may do is touch this level and then pull back and bounce off of this level here, or it can continue down. But usually what price does when it engulfs an area is it will come back and retest that area before continuing to go further down. Or retest, you have to wait for the retest, because what price could do is go back all the way through here and continue up. But we have indication that price may want to go down with this bearish engulfing, but you have bullish engulfing here. But there is also other factors to take into consideration with this moving average here, this 20 period moving average. Price is below this moving average, and it's looking like it's trying to it's going back and forth, trying to make a decision whether it's going to stay below this moving average or go above this moving average. And it closed above it. So now we have see how these candles are? So I need to go back to this chart to see whether we literally have a bullish engulfing. Even if it's just by a hair, price closed above this support and resistance line right here. So I can state that I believe that price is going to remain um, because it closed above, this would be very, very risky to state, but you can possibly state that price may remain above this line or close above this line right here. So to be on the safe side, what I would do, and it did, it just did. So this is how the bullish engulfing candles work. Say if this were the last candle of the binary, you would have won that binary. Bullish and bearish engulfing candles. This is bullish. So when this bullish candle closed above this line right here, above this candle engulfed this previous red candle. It remained above this line right here. So now we have another bullish engulfing candle in progress to remain bullish over this red candle, this red body, possibly. Even if it closed this much, it still engulfs, and it did. It engulfed this candle. So I move my line up, place it on top of this red candle, stating that price, but then you have this bearish, see the bears actually push this down, push that down, and push that down. This is bearish pressure right here. But the rule still remains. This is a bullish engulfing candle. So the next candle may remain above this strike. And let's see, we got 11 seconds left, 10 seconds left in this candle. Okay, so it didn't remain, it closed just a smidge below, provided that I have it dead on. And I don't have it dead on, but it closed just below. So that was a loss. That would have been a loss. So that's if you stuck with at the money. That would have been an at the money trade. So what you do is you got 5 price action strikes. I mean, it's 5 strikes to go from. So say you stated price was going to remain above this line right here. Well, the thing to do is to go to safety. Because you got 5, go to the next level. And let's see, 1.162. Let's see if that is even 162. Above. Yeah, price closed above this level, this strike right here. With this, and this was the last candle right here. It closed above this strike. So now in progress we have another bullish engulfing candle, and it's above the 20 period moving average. So what we want to see happen is for price, this candle here, to close above this line right here, and it's looking like it's gonna close above this one. So it's a little too late for me to get into this one to do some scalping, which you'll learn that in another video. So I hope I've explained to you bullish engulfing candles and bearish engulfing candlestick patterns.